Class 7 Geography, Chapter 1 Environment. After a long vacation, when we started going to the school again, we noticed that only the playground next to his school was dug up. People said that a huge building with many flats will be constructed here. Ravi was almost in tears when he realized that the bigger playground with a shop, grass, marigold, and the butterflies is gone forever. He shared his feeling with his classmates in the assembly. The people too sadly observed, see how environment is changing in the class. Ravi asked his teacher, "What is the environment? Whatever you see in your surroundings," said the teacher. Ravi thought aloud. That means the school building, the table, chairs in the classroom, even the open field, the road, the path, which my friends are all are part of our environment. Now, yes, said the teacher, but wait, some objects are created by nature, for example, the mountain, river, tree, animal, others are made by the people, for example, road, cars, book. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink. Basic life support system: air we breathe, water we drink, food we eat, land we live. How do the human being modify this naturally? The car fumes pollute the air, water is collected in a pot, food is served in the vessel, and the land is used to build factories. Human being make cars, mills, factories, and manufacture container. This is how human being modify the natural environment. Now work in pairs, make a list to your classmate. Okay, Ravi, Paranjit, Mustafa, several are excited about making this the list. Why is our environment changing? Asked Iqbal. It is all because our environment क्यों change हो रहा है? हमारी need की वजह से change हो रहा है. Okay, they are okay. The components of natural components जैसे कि land, air, water and living thing, that is biosphere. Human made building, park, bridge, road, industries, monument. Human की बात करते हैं. Individual, family, community, religion, educational, economic and the political situation increasing day by day. We are therefore modifying at times even destroying our natural surrounding, the teacher replied. This is the world of living organism, that is plant and animal, is called biotic. The world of non-living elements, that is land. From the upper conversation you understand that the place, people, thing, nature that surround any living organism is called the environment. It is a combination of the natural and the human made phenomena. Environment that surround any living organism, natural and human made phenomena, while the natural environment refers to the both biotic and abiotic condition existing on the earth. Human environment reveals the activities, the creation and interaction among the human being. Environment, French word environment means neighborhood. Land, water, air, plant, animal comprise the natural environment. You are familiar with the meaning of the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. From nucleus, let us learn. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of solid crust, hard top layer. It is made up of rocks, minerals and covered by the thin layer of the soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms as a mountain, plateau, plain, valley. Landforms are found over the continent and also on the ocean floor. Lithosphere is a domain that provides us with forest, grassland for grazing, land for agriculture. Forest, grassland for grazing, land for agriculture, human settlement. It is also a source of mineral products. Okay, this is hydrosphere, this is lithosphere, atmosphere, solid interaction, biosphere. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. It comprises the very sources of water in different types of water bodies like river, lake, seas, ocean. It is essential for all living organisms. The atmosphere, the thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays and the scorching heat of the sun. It consists of a number of the gases, the dust and the water vapor. The change in the atmosphere produces the changes in the अगर atmosphere में change होगा, the changes in the atmosphere produces changes in the weather and the climate. Plant and animal clean together make the biosphere or the living world. It is an origin of the earth where the land, water and the air interact with each other. Ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction of all the living organisms with each other as well as the physical and the chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by the transfer of energy as well as the material. What is an ecosystem? At an NCC camp that Ravi's class was attending, Jesse explained what a heavy downpour. It reminds me of my home in Kerala. You should come and see how it pours and pours and pours over the lush green field and coconut plantation here. From Jessam explained, we get no rain, we see only the kicker and the sand as far as the eyes can see. But you also find camels at Ravi. Okay. Here, not just camel. If you visit our dive, you will see snake, lizard, and many insects too. Ravi, but divided with the animals, the vegetation, and the way people live vary from the place to place. Are they all related to each other? Oh yes, very much so. On 5 June, World Environment Day is celebrated. All the plant, animal, human being depend on their immediate. जितने भी plant हो गए, कोई animal या human being, they all depend on their immediate surrounding. Often they are also interdependent on each other. Immediate surrounding or interdependent on each other. The relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and their surrounding form an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountain, lake, river, ocean, even a small pond. Do you think of the park in which the Ravi and his friends played form an ecosystem? It is a trade. Barter system is a trade in which the goods are exchanged without the use of the money. Human beings interact with the environment and they modify it according to their need. Human being क्या करते हैं? environment के साथ interact करते हैं, उसको change करते हैं. Early humans adapted themselves to their natural surrounding. They led to us very simple and fulfill the requirement from the nature around them. With time, needs grew and become more varied. Humans learn new ways to use and change in the environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animal, lead a settled life. जैसे जैसे time हुआ, they become more varied. With time needs grew and become varied. It humans learn new ways to use and change the environment. पहले वो अडाप्ट करते तब चेंज कराए. They learn to grow the crop, domesticate animal, lead a settled life. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade it started, commerce developed. Wheel हो गया, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade started, commerce developed, industrial revolution enabled large scale production, transportation became faster, information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. Have you ever thought why you love eating a juicy watermelon in the summer and a hot toasted peanut in the winter? The perfect balance is necessary between the nature and the human environment. Humans must learn to live and use the environment in a very harmonious way. Nuri, a girl from the future and from Ravi's class, often talks about the lush green surroundings of a place. Think Ravi upset at having lost his playground. Nuri invited him to visit her home state during the coming vacation. Ravi's teacher and the student to draw and landscape house and the activities of the people and draw places. Okay, thank you so much.